Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy. Today we are going to study some problems on Laplace transforms. How to solve the Laplace transform problems. So we must know the formula. If you know the formulas, then only you can easily solve the problems in mathematics. In the Laplace, we have to know the formulas to solve all the problems. First formula is L of Laplace transform of t power n. F of t is equal to t power n. That's why I am writing here minus 1 power n. D power n divided by ds power n. L of f of t. For example, L of t f of t, which is equal to, instead of n, you have to substitute 1, minus 1 power 1, d power 1 divided by ds power 1, L of f of t. So minus 1 or minus d by ds of L of f of t. When L of t f of t. Another formula is in the next video, we will use this formula to solve the problems. L of f of t divided by t, which is equal to integral over the limit s tends to infinity L of f of t into ds. There are the difference between these two. One is a multiplication t into f of t. Another one is f of t divided by t. F of t divided by t means integral over the limit s tends to infinity L of f of t ds. Multiplication, if t is in the multiplication, t f of t, which is equal to minus d by ds of L of f of t. This is the formula. Here, let us see one example. Find L of Laplace transform of t square e power minus 3t. So it looks like the formula L of t power n f of t. Instead of n, here is a 2. L of t square. So right hand side also, for n, you have to apply 2. So minus 1 power 2, d power 2 divided by ds power 2, L of f of t. That means minus 1 square will be plus 1. D square divided by ds square, L of f of t. I have written here. So this is the formula. So we must know. So we have to find L of t square e power minus 3t. The formula is L of t square f of t is equal to minus 1 square d square divided by ds square L of f of t. So let us solve the problems. L of t square e power minus 3t. Minus 1 square plus 1. So d square divided by ds square. 2 times we have to differentiate L of e power minus 3t, because t square f of t is e power minus 3t. What is L of e power minus 3t? We must know the formula. L of e power minus at is equal to 1 divided by, right? You know very well, s plus a. So e power minus 3t, L of e power minus 3t can be written as 1 divided by s plus 3, which is equal to d square divided by ds square into 1 divided by s plus 3. So here you have to differentiate 1 divided by s plus 3 2 times, because d square divided by ds square. We know the formula d of u by v is equal to, denominator is v square, numerator is v du minus u dv divided by v square. Denominator is v square, numerator is v du minus u dv. What is the u here? D square divided by ds square. What is the u? 1. What is v? S plus 3. What is v square? S plus 3 whole square. U is equal to 1 means, what is the du? Differentiation of u? 0. V is equal to s plus 3 means, what is the dv? 1. Because s, if you are differentiating with respect to s, 1. 3, if you are differentiating, it will be 0. So everything we have got here, the values of u, v, v square, du, dv. Substitute in the formula. So L of t square e power minus 3t. So one time we are going to differentiate. After differentiating, next we are going to differentiate again, right? So d by ds of, one time you are differentiating, v du, v is s plus 3, du is 0, minus u is 1, dv is 1, v du minus u dv, divided by s plus 3 whole square. So d by ds, 0 into s plus 3, first term will be 0, second term will be minus 1 divided by s plus 3 whole square. Again, you have to differentiate, you have to use the u by v method. In this step, what is u minus 1? What is v s plus 3 whole square? So again, you have to use the same formula, d of u by v is equal to v du minus u dv divided by v square. So u is minus 1, v is s plus 3 whole square, du is 0, dv is equal to 2 into s plus 3. What is v square? S plus 3 whole square whole square. So therefore, s plus 3 whole power 4. So L of t square into e power minus 3t, v du, v is s plus 3 whole square into du is 0, minus of minus 1 into, because u dv, u is minus 1, dv 2 into s plus 3. So my first term will vanish, will be 0. Minus of minus 1 will be plus 1. So 2 into s plus 3 divided by s plus 3 power 4. Numerator is s plus 3, denominator is s plus 3 power 4. You can cancel it. So denominator will become 2 divided by s plus 3 whole cube. So L of t square e power minus 3t is equal to 2 divided by s plus 3 whole cube. This is the answer. Okay, let us see another example. Find L of t into e power minus t sin t. Find L of t into e power minus t sin t. First, you have to find for t into sin t. What about e power minus t? L of e power minus t can be written as 1 divided by s plus 1. So therefore, s tends to s plus 1 I am taking. S tends to s plus 1 I am taking for L of e power minus t. Okay, shifting property. So L of t sin t, s tends to s plus 1. Why I have written here s plus 1 e power minus t. E power minus 2t is there. You have to write s tends to s plus 2. E power 2t is there. S tends to s minus 2. Okay, so this is a way to solve the t into e power minus t sin t, Laplace transform of. Okay, so L of t sin t, instead of e power minus t, s tends to s plus 1. L of t sin t, just now we studied the formula. L of t f of t is equal to minus d by ds L of f of t. So L of t sin t is equal to minus d by ds L of sin t, s tends to s plus 1. So minus d by ds, what is the L of sin a t? A divided by s square plus a square. What is the L of sin t? 1 divided by s square plus 1. Overall, you have to write s tends to s plus 1. In the final answer, if there is s, instead of s, you have to apply s plus 1. Okay, that's why we are writing in each term. So this one is you have to differentiate d by ds of minus d by ds of 1 divided by s square plus 1. So d of u by v method, v du minus u dv divided by v square. What is u? 1. What is u? 1. What is v? S square plus 1. What is v square? S square plus 1 whole square. So du, u if you are differentiating 0, dv, s square plus 1 if you are differentiating 2s. So apply in the formula, L of t sin t is equal to minus of v du, v is s square plus 1, du is 0, minus u dv, u is 1, dv is 2s, divided by s square plus 1 whole square, s tends to s plus 1. Always you have to write s tends to s plus 1, which is equal to 2s divided by s square plus 1 whole square, s tends to s plus 1, because first term will vanish, minus of minus 2s will be plus 2s. So L of t sin t is equal to 2s divided by s square plus 1 whole square, s tends to s plus 1. L of t e power minus t sin t, that is given in the problem. Instead of s, you have to substitute s plus 1. So 2 into, for s, s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 whole square plus 1 overall whole square. Okay, so this, so you have to solve using the method, using the formula of L of t f of t is equal to minus d by ds of L of f of t. Again, one more problem I will explain. Find L of t e power 2t, Laplace transform of e power 2t, t into e power 2t into cos pi t. There are three terms. So L of t cos 5t, e power, instead of e power 2t, I have written here s tends to s minus 2. S tends to s minus 2. So L of t cos phi t, s tends to s minus 2 is equal to minus d by ds of, because a t is there, that's why minus d by ds. L of cos phi t, s tends to s minus 2, minus d by ds of, what is L of cos phi t? Cos at. L of cos at is equal to s divided by s square plus a square. Cos phi t can be written as Laplace transform of cos phi t can be written as s divided by s square plus phi square. Phi square will be 25. So minus d by ds of s divided by s square plus 25. S tends to s minus 2. Now again you have to use the d of u by v formula. V du minus u dv divided by v square. What is the u? Is equal to s. What is v? S square plus 25. What is du? U, if you are differentiating with respect to s, already u is equal to s. If you are differentiating with respect to s means it will be 1. V is equal to s square plus 25. dv is equal to s square if you are differentiating 2s. So substitute in the formula L of t cos pi t, s tends to s minus 2 is equal to minus of, right? V du, v is s square plus 25 into du, du is 1 minus u s, dv is 2s divided by s square plus 25 whole square, v square, s tends to s minus 2, minus of s square plus 25 into 1 is equal to s square plus 25 minus s into 2s is equal to minus 2s square divided by s square plus 25 whole square, s tends to s minus 2. So minus of s square minus 2s square, if you are subtracting, you will get to minus s square plus 25 divided by s square plus 25 whole square, s tends to s minus 2. Minus of minus plus s square minus plus, if you multiply minus, so answer is L of t e power 2t cos pi t is equal to s square minus 25 divided by s square plus 25 whole square, s tends to s minus 2. Instead of s, you have to apply s minus 2. So s minus 2 whole square minus 25 whole divided by s minus 2 whole square plus 25 overall whole square. So this is the answer. Okay. So thank you all. So when, if you want to solve the Laplace transform problems, you have to memorize the formulas of Laplace transform. If you know the Laplace transform well, then only inverse Laplace transform will be very easy for us. So you have to study all the formulas of Laplace transform. Thank you all.